Hello and welcome back to my channel. I actually have been really busy lately, juggling work and number of stuff that's currently happening. Hence, you have not seen me posting new videos on my YouTube channel. Now, today's video, I will be showing you on how to make a Malaysian Satay Chicken Curry. I decided that why not share this video to all of you? So here it is. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you will be able to make your version of the Malaysian Satay Chicken Curry. Now do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And if you have any comments or any questions at all, do not forget to comment down below. I will see you again in my next cooking video. Bye for now.